Secret's Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort just finished a $250 million transformation in January 2026 after closing for 250 days of renovations. That means you're looking at brand new everything. Fresh mattresses, updated restaurants, redesigned pools, the works. But here's the thing most people miss. Booking right after a major renovation like this can go one of two ways. You either get flawless new facilities with staff still learning the ropes, or you get a property that's ironed out the kinks but hasn't yet jacked up prices to reflect the upgrades. Either way, you're walking into a resort that's essentially new, managed by Hyatt, sitting in Playa Mujeres about 35 to 45 minutes from Cancun International Airport. This isn't your typical Cancun hotel strip experience. Playa Mujeres is quieter, more residential, with less foot traffic and a different vibe altogether. The resort sits in the Playa Mujeres development, specifically in Punta Sam, which puts you north of the main Cancun action. That distance matters if you're planning day trips or want easy access to downtown nightlife, but it also means you're trading convenience for seclusion and a more controlled environment. The room situation at Secret's Playa Mujeres isn't something we can break down in granular detail because specific room counts, square footage, and exact amenities per category weren't documented in the research. What we do know is that this is an adults-only, all-inclusive resort under Hyatt's management, which typically means suites with at least a sitting area, minibar, and balcony or terrace. The January 2026 renovation likely touched every room, so you're looking at updated furnishings, modern bathrooms, and fresh linens across the board. Without confirmed details on whether there are swim-up suites, oceanfront versus garden view categories, or butler service tiers, it's impossible to say how the room hierarchy shakes out here. What's safe to assume, given the Secret's brand positioning and the all-inclusive model, is that even entry-level accommodations will include daily restocked minibars, premium bedding, and turn-down service. If you're someone who cares about room size or specific views, you'll want to call the resort directly or work with a travel agent who can pull up the current room chart, because those details aren't floating around in public-facing sources yet post-renovation. The lack of granular room data is frustrating, but it's also typical for properties that just reopened. Marketing materials get updated in waves, and sometimes the nuts and bolts stuff lags behind the glossy photos. Dining at Secret's Playa Mujeres is another area where the renovation likely changed the landscape, but exact restaurant names, cuisine types, and operational details weren't captured in available research. All-inclusive resorts of this caliber usually offer multiple a la carte restaurants covering Italian, Mexican, Asian fusion, and a steakhouse or seafood grill, plus a buffet for breakfast and lunch. The buffet is where you'll find made-to-order omelets in the morning, carving stations at dinner, and enough variety that even picky eaters won't starve. A la carte spots typically require reservations, especially during high season, and the good ones book up fast. If the resort follows standard Secrets protocol, you'll have access to all restaurants without surcharges, though premium wines and top-shelf liquor might carry an upcharge depending on your room category. What's missing here is the kind of detail that helps you plan. Whether there's a beachfront grill serving fresh-caught fish, whether the Mexican restaurant leans traditional Yucatecan or goes more Tex-Mex, whether the Italian spot has a wood-fired oven or just reheats frozen pizza dough. Those distinctions matter when you're spending a week eating 3 meals a day on property. The bar situation is similarly vague. Most Secrets properties have a swim-up bar, a lobby bar, a beach bar, and maybe a rooftop or speakeasy-style lounge. Post-renovation, you'd hope for upgraded cocktail programs, fresh juices, and bartenders who know how to make more than a basic margarita. But without confirmed details, you're rolling the dice a bit. The pool and beach setup at Secret's Playa Mujeres benefits from its Playa Mujeres location, which is known for calmer, cleaner water compared to the hotel zone in Cancun. Mujeres Beach is about a 5-minute drive from the resort, though it's unclear whether the property has direct beach access or if you're walking through a shared beachfront area. The beach itself is swimmable most of the year, with softer waves and less seaweed buildup than some stretches farther south. Pools at Secret's resorts typically include at least one main infinity pool, a quieter pool for relaxation, and possibly a swim-up bar pool. The January 2026 renovation likely refreshed pool decking, added new loungers, and updated any poolside cabanas or daybeds. What's not clear is whether there are hot tubs, whether the pools are heated, or whether there's a dedicated quiet pool with a no-music policy. Those details matter if you're someone who wants to read a book poolside without a DJ blasting reggaeton at noon. Towel service is standard at resorts like this. You grab a towel card at check-in, swap it for a fresh towel whenever you need one, and never worry about hauling wet towels back to your room. Lifeguards are usually on duty during daylight hours, though their presence isn't always consistent at adults-only properties where the assumption is that guests can swim unsupervised. The beach and pool experience here will likely be solid, but without specifics on layout, capacity, or unique features like a beach club or overwater lounging area, it's hard to say what sets this property apart from competitors. Activities at Secret's Playa Mujeres should include the usual suspects for an all-inclusive resort of this size. Non-motorized water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding, beach volleyball, pool games, and maybe some yoga or dance classes. The Playa Mujeres Golf Club is a 14-minute walk from the resort, which is notable if you're a golfer because most all-inclusives don't have a championship course that close. The course was designed by Greg Norman, features 18 holes, and offers ocean views from several holes. Greens fees aren't included in the all-inclusive rate, so you'll pay separately, but the proximity means you can easily fit in a morning round without losing half your day to transportation. Beyond golf, the resort's activity programming likely includes things like Spanish lessons, cooking demos, and evening entertainment like live music or theme nights. What's missing is detail on whether there's a dive shop for scuba certification, whether snorkeling trips to nearby reefs are included, or whether there are off-property excursions bundled into the package. Some Secrets properties offer complimentary day trips to local cenotes or cultural sites, but that's not confirmed here. If you're someone who gets bored lounging by the pool, you'll want to ask about the weekly activity schedule before booking, because not all-inclusives are created equal when it comes to keeping guests entertained. The spa at Secrets Playa Mujeres likely got a significant upgrade during the 250-day renovation, which would mean new treatment rooms, updated equipment, and possibly an expanded menu of services. Spas at Secrets resorts typically offer massages, facials, body wraps, hydrotherapy circuits, and salon services like manicures and blowouts. The hydrotherapy circuit usually includes a sauna, steam room, cold plunge, and maybe a few different temperature pools or showers designed to improve circulation and relax muscles. Most spa services aren't included in the all-inclusive rate, so you'll pay a la carte, with massages running anywhere from $100 to $200 depending on length and technique. Some resorts offer spa packages where you get a discount if you book multiple treatments, which makes sense if you're planning a wellness-focused trip. What's not clear is whether the spa has outdoor treatment cabanas, whether there are couples suites, or whether the spa offers any locally inspired treatments using indigenous ingredients like cacao or agave. Those details elevate a spa from generic to memorable, but they're not documented here. Wellness programming beyond the spa might include morning yoga on the beach, meditation sessions, or fitness classes in a dedicated gym. The gym itself probably has cardio machines, free weights, and maybe a few strength training stations, though post-renovation you'd hope for updated equipment and not the same treadmills every resort had in 2015. Secrets Playa Mujeres is an adults-only property, which means there are no kids clubs, no family pools with splash pads, and no evening entertainment geared toward children. This is a selling point for couples, honeymooners, and anyone who wants a vacation without the soundtrack of screaming toddlers. The adults-only designation also usually means a quieter pool scene, more sophisticated dining options, and evening entertainment that skews toward live music and cocktail hours rather than magic shows and foam parties. If you're traveling with kids, this isn't your spot. You want to look at Secret's sister brand, Dreams, which caters to families. Nearby attractions start with the Playa Mujeres Golf Club, which we already covered, but the broader area offers a few other options. North Beach is about 51 minutes away by car, which is a long haul for a beach day but doable if you're staying for a week and want to explore. Cancun International Airport is 35 to 45 minutes depending on traffic, which means you're not losing half your vacation day to transfers. Playa Mujeres as a destination is quieter and less developed than the Cancun hotel zone, so you won't have the same density of restaurants, bars, and shops within walking distance. That's a trade-off. You get more peace and privacy, but less spontaneity if you want to wander off property for dinner or drinks. Day trips to Isla Mujeres, Cholum, or the cenotes around Valladolid are all feasible from here, though you'll need to arrange transportation through the resort or book a tour. The resort's concierge can set up excursions, but those aren't included in the all-inclusive rate, so budget accordingly. If you're the type who wants to stay on property and not deal with logistics, Secrets Playa Mujeres works. If you want easy access to local culture and nightlife, you might feel isolated. Keeping it real, the one guest quote we have says this place is a great all-inclusive but pricey. That tracks with the Secrets brand positioning. You're paying for adults-only exclusivity, a recent renovation, and Hyatt's operational standards. But pricey is relative, and without knowing what's included in the rate versus what costs extra, it's hard to evaluate value. The lack of detailed guest reviews post-renovation is also a red flag, not because the resort is bad, but because you're booking based on limited feedback. Early adopters after a renovation sometimes encounter teething problems. Restaurant service that's slower than it should be, staff still learning the new systems, or amenities that aren't fully operational yet. That's not a deal breaker, but it's worth managing expectations. On the flip side, you're getting brand new everything, which means no worn-out furniture, no stained carpets, and no outdated bathrooms. The other honest caveat is that all-inclusive resorts can feel samey after a few days. If you're someone who thrives on variety and exploration, a week at an all-inclusive might leave you restless. If you want to unplug, eat and drink without thinking about bills, and not leave the property, this model works. What makes Secrets Playa Mujeres different is the timing of that January 2026 renovation and the Playa Mujeres location itself. Most travelers default to the Cancun hotel zone because it's familiar and convenient, but Playa Mujeres offers a quieter, more upscale alternative without the crowds. The proximity to the Greg Norman golf course is a unique selling point if you're a golfer. 14 minutes on foot means you can walk there, play around, and be back for lunch. The Hyatt management is another differentiator. Hyatt's operational standards tend to be higher than some of the independent all-inclusive operators, which usually translates to better trained staff, more consistent service, and cleaner facilities. The adults-only designation filters out a huge chunk of travelers, which keeps occupancy rates lower and the vibe more relaxed. If you've ever stayed at a family-friendly all-inclusive during spring break or Christmas, you know how chaotic it can get. Here, you're trading that chaos for a more controlled, serene environment. Value breakdown is tricky without specific pricing, but all-inclusive resorts generally make financial sense if you're a heavy drinker, a big eater, or someone who values convenience over cost optimization. If you're the type who nurses one cocktail over 2 hours and prefers street tacos to resort buffets, you'll probably overpay. But if you want to drink top-shelf tequila all day, eat 4 meals, and not think about tipping or budgeting, the all-inclusive model works. The January 2026 renovation adds value because you're getting updated facilities without the premium pricing that sometimes follows a refresh. That window won't last forever. Once word gets out and reviews pile up, rates will likely increase. Guest experience highlights are sparse because detailed reviews post-renovation aren't widely available yet. The one quote we have praises the all-inclusive experience but notes the price, which suggests the property delivers on expectations but doesn't feel like a bargain. Without more granular feedback on service, food quality, or specific amenities, it's hard to pull out memorable moments. That's the challenge with newly renovated properties. You're booking based on potential rather than proven track record. If you're risk-averse, you might want to wait 6 months for more reviews to surface. If you're comfortable being an early adopter and want to experience everything fresh, now's the time to book. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.